Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. When you apply for any kind of loan, the first thing that a lender looks for is your credit score. And Cibil credit score, the Cibil stands for Credit Information Bureau India Limited, and a good credit score falls anywhere above 750 to 900. But just because you have a good credit score does not mean that all your loan applications will get approved. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how the credit score is calculated, what are the factors they consider, and how much weightage each factor holds. Number 1, credit history. So here the banks and financial institutes, they will send all your personal and your credit information to the credit bureau, and there they will see how much loan you have taken and how much time are you taking to pay back these loans, how much have you utilized from this loan amount, and have you defaulted. All these kinds of information they will take it into consideration to create your credit history report. And here it holds a weightage of 30% when it comes to your whole credit score. Number 2, credit utilization. Now this holds a weightage of 25%. So here this means that the loan amount that you have and how much have you used from it. So that is the credit utilization, and here when you increase your credit utilization constantly, that is seen as a negative thing, because that means your loan burden is rising. So make sure that your credit utilization is not in the rise so that it is not seen as a negative thing. Number 3, credit mix and duration. So this is nothing but it depends on the number of or how much secured or unsecured loans that you have. So secured loans is where you have collateral like home loan or auto loan, but unsecured loan is the personal loans that you have without any security. And here if you have taken an unsecured loan and if you're not paying it on time, or just say that you've just taken an unsecured loan, then that might show your credit score as low. It might show your credit score as low, but if you had taken a secured loan and you're paying it back on time, then chances are there that you'll have a very good credit score. Last but not least, number 4, credit inquiry. Now this holds a weightage of about 20%, and here it means that you have already inquired for a loan application. So if you've inquired anywhere for a loan application, the credit bureau will be notified about it. And the number of times you've inquired for a loan application, it means that you're very credit hungry, you're a credit hungry person. So that is a very negative thing, and that can impact your good credit score. So these are the 4 factors that they will take into consideration while calculating your credit score. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about credit score or how to start a business or how to get into stock markets and mutual funds or into IPOs, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. But do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.